The audio saga linking Zimbabwe's main opposing leader NELSONCHAMISA to First Lady Auxiliary Mnangagwa through her aide Ben Moneri, which has been verified by the news house beyond reasoning doubt, has further shown that politics is not just what happens in the public sphere, but mostly importantly behind the scenes. Behind the corridors, the audio saga linking NELSONCHAMISA to First Lady Auxiliary Mnangagwa. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. While public theater dominates politics, important decisions are made behind doors, away from the public domain. Supporters of the political parties and their leaders are usually left in the dark, and when they discover what has been happening, they react with shock, denial, and some with being aggressively defensive even when indisputable facts have been placed before them. The backstage environment and maneuvers allow for genuine negotiation, compromise, and building of trust between opposition sides away from public scrutiny, which can be essential for making progress on complex issues, yet dangerous as it can lead to cutting personal dues for self-aggrandizement and selling out. Significant dues are often struck in confidential settings, reducing the impact of political theater and media sensationalism. Lobbyists and mediators often operate in the shadows of influence, police, and cut deals without public discourse. Private meetings are used by politicians to negotiate without fear of backlash from voter or other constituents, allowing for compromises that would be politically fatal in public. Closed door bargaining allows politicians to engage in a dialogue without facing reputational damage if a deal falls through. When not performing for an audience, politicians are more open to practical solutions and concessions. Toma developments aripo pamusoro the leaked audio pina comment section medo zofungura enyi mutu di pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.